So if you've ever tried to film yourself with the rear-facing camera, you have no idea where you are on the screen, and no matter how well you line it up, you end up being off center somewhere. Just one bit of the hand can look awful. You're a bit too close, you start cutting off the top of your head. Worse, if you're filming and you're too low down and you're talking like that, then you've got all of this dead space above you. Right folks, this is the gadget. This is the gadget we've been waiting for. Selfie screen from NEEWER. This is the definition of shut up and take my money kind of gadget. Yeah, it's one of those ones I didn't know I needed it. Well, I didn't know it even existed until they sent me an email list of all the things for my consideration. And there was a few things in there that I knew I wouldn't use, so I didn't ask for them. And this was just a name, so I clicked on it. And when it opened up, I was like, are you kidding me? That is so what I need. Obviously, you see my vlogs. I film so many vlogs using the back face camera. I never use the front because the quality is just so much better with the back. And unfortunately, due to optics, the nature of optics, the science of optics, camera makers, phone makers can't put the lens on the front that's like this, those big cylindrical things, because you need the optics. So unfortunately, we have to use the back camera if we want the quality. But this is just, I mean, I even bought as a second-hand iPhone 15 as soon as this was coming, and I found out it doesn't work with lightning, so bear that in mind. It's iPhone 15 and above. Now when I first got it and plugged it in, let's just get this going. Put the camera on. Well, it's on video, it's on portrait mode, so it's upside down at the moment, but the button is on the left hand side to rotate. So now it's the correct way around. You can probably see the camera itself. Now when I first put it on its side, I expected the camera, I'm not sure if you can see that, to turn horizontally, but it won't do it. It keeps going to portrait mode, and I was panicking. I thought, is this like a new technology, a beta technology that can only go portrait, and is it for people that are just doing TikTok? I said, oh no, my dream gadget. But I looked around online, I watched a couple of videos, and other people are having trouble with it. One actually closed his video saying he's going to try and find the solution. I heard somebody mention the lock, orientation lock. So I mucked around with it, and the trick is to lock the screen horizontally before you put the camera on, turn the camera's power on, the screen. Let's try that. So at the moment, if I press the orientation, it only goes up and down. Let's hope you are seeing that. So turn the screen off, and then we're going to put the phone horizontally, open up the drop-down menu, click the orientation lock, open the camera again. Now it's horizontal. Turn the screen on, which is, I keep forgetting, is up there. Now, initially, it might come out the wrong way around at first. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's the right way around. Right, the first time I did it, it was upside down, and then you can do the button at the top, which flips the 180 degrees, the screen 180 degrees. So if you open it with the portrait mode, it'll stay in portrait, either upside down or the right way up, and the same with this. So a little bit fiddly, but just because I was like panicked, and when I saw videos of people saying they couldn't figure it out, or maybe it couldn't be done, I was like, well, I won't even really be able to use it. I mean, I do shorts and TikTok, but really I film most of my stuff horizontally, the proper way. Now the screen does come with one of these magnetic rings which you stick on, but the phone case that I got with the phone had one built in, very slick. So it just goes on there. And it's just, yeah, my one. If you buy the actual built-in one, then it doesn't stick out. Very nice. So there you go. Without fail, I can be in the center every time. Yeah, I know I'm in the center. Yep, there. And if I go there, I know I'm out. It's as simple as that. Out. And then I can just, yeah, keep my face in it all the time. I can do like a Jamiroquai type thing. Remember, don't look at the screen. look at the lens. I can do a kind of Jamiroquai wide angle thing. Okay, catch you next time, folks. And the link to the item will be in the description as per usual.